Thinking about starting a small business? Good stuff. But where do you begin? ADP is here to guide you, step by step, from planning to payroll. Let's get started. A great business starts with a great idea. Before you dive in, ask yourself, does it excite you? Are you good at it? Do people need it? If yes, you're on the right track. Now, research your industry, competitors, and what makes you stand out. Define, refine, and repeat until your business idea is solid. A business plan is your blueprint. It outlines your vision, market, and strategy. Investors and banks may need to see it, but more importantly, you need it to stay focused. Keep it simple but complete. It answers 3 key questions. What are you selling? Who is your audience? How will you grow? Most businesses need startup funds. The good news? You've got lots of options. Compare what's available. Weigh the pros and cons, and choose what fits best. Keep in mind, lenders will likely review your business plan and credit history. The right structure affects taxes, liability, and operations. Sole proprietorships are simple, but expose personal assets. Corporations offer protection, but require more paperwork. LLCs fall in between. Choose wisely, but know that you can adjust as your business evolves. Your business name is your first act of branding. It should be unique, memorable, and available. Check state databases and trademark listings to confirm availability. If needed, register a trade name as well. Time to make it official. Register your business with the right local, state, or federal agencies. Requirements vary, so check what applies. Many business owners work with a lawyer or incorporation service to ensure accuracy. Once you're registered, you're ready to operate. A tax ID or EIN is like a social security number for your business. You need one to hire employees, open a business bank account, and build credit. Apply through the IRS website and check if your state requires additional tax registration. Some businesses require industry-specific licenses, while others just need a general business permit. Check federal, state, and local regulations to stay compliant. And don't forget, business insurance helps protect you from unexpected risks. Keeping personal and business finances separate is key. A business bank account simplifies taxes, improves cash flow, and adds credibility. Compare accounts to find the best fit and have your EIN, registration, and formation documents ready when applying. Before making your first sale or hiring your first employee, set up accounting and payroll. It keeps finances organized and helps manage tax compliance. You can handle it yourself or use a provider like ADP to save time and prevent costly payroll mistakes. Web presence is essential for any company. A simple website and active social media help customers find and trust your business. Keep branding consistent across platforms and make it easy for customers to contact or buy from you online. Launching is just the beginning. To attract and retain the best talent, consider offering retirement and health plans. Watch the trends, listen to feedback, and refine your approach. Growth is a journey. ADP is here to help every step of the way.